Circuit bending is by no means limited to just toys and instruments, so I've always wondered why other bent devices are so uncommon. Having now circuit bent a noise machine, I think I have an answer.
This is my Philips ST200, which I added a pitch knob to earlier this year. So here's the inside. Let me show you up close what I've done here. So R14 there is the clocking resistor. It turns out that below a certain resistance, this chip will just crash. So I had a little bit of trouble finding it. The resistance has to be above 120K. So on this pod over here that I added, there is a 120K resistor in series with it. It mainly emits white noise. It has 4 different settings for white noise that all sound in varying amounts like flowing water. You know, just a bunch of water features. Then there's frogs. So I added this pitch control here. Let me demonstrate that quick. So here's ocean. Since this mainly outputs white noise, not a lot of it is exciting. Of course, the frogs sound fairly interesting.
I think it's apparent now why circuit bending a noisemaker is a bit unusual. The sounds they yield simply aren't as interesting as those of a circuit bent toy or keyboard. However, I think there's still some value in my endeavor. First, the more abstract. I knew that bending this noisemaker wasn't going to yield any terribly interesting sounds, but I still had a desire to do it. I see circuit bending as something of an art form, and I think the necessity of creation is, if not the definition of art, at least a notable attribute. Besides which, white noise sources have their uses in audio. I could absolutely patch this into the modular synthesizer I hope to build someday, or use it in conjunction with another circuit bent instrument. My particular white noise source just happens to be a little strange.